Attorney General just announced a new strike force to deal with the housing crisis.
It will enforce housing laws and tenant protections. Political reporter Morgan Reiner joins us now with all the details. A lot going on in this sector. Morgan.
The Attorney General started off by saying 150,000 Californians will either sleep on the street or in shelters tonight. One of them, Jasmine McIntyre, who I caught up with today. She told me she was wrongfully evicted during the pandemic. But it seems like because of an existing law, the Attorney General's strike force will not be able to help with individual cases like Jasmine's.
She's a business owner, she's a daughter.
People really should not judge people that are going through homelessness because you really don't know what led them to get there.
Like her, she's also homeless.
I had to swallow my pride a lot and just be like, you know what, you need help.
She's floating from one friend's couch to the next.
I'm not gonna lie, it really set me back with my mental health.
For 6 years, she lived in an apartment in Sacramento. During COVID, her business took a hit. She said she qualified for renter's assistance. Government would pay 85%, she'd pay 25%.
As a landlord, it's just like you're given this Sarah 2 program. Like, you guys have to accept it. Like, how can you just deny someone's application and they have the 25% to pay you?
The Attorney General's office said the strike force cannot get involved in individual disputes by law.
So we are not likely to get involved in individual landlord-tenant disputes. We will get involved when there is a pattern in practice of violations of state laws like AB 1482. If there's a landlord, for example, that is has multiple units and is rent gouging.
The strike force aims to enforce state laws that seek to create more affordable housing and hold cities that try to get in the way accountable. The Attorney General's office said they'll get back to me on how exactly this will be enforced.
So pattern and practice of, for example, not fully refunding security deposits would be something that your office might get involved in.
We'd have to take it on a case-by-case basis, but if there are broad violations,
which McIntyre did agree is also needed.
The cost of living in California, period, it's ridiculous.
The strike force will start off with a team of 12 people. Now, in addition to the strike force, the Attorney General's office also created a portal where you can go to a landlord or a tenant for resources that are available to you. Again, I do want to clarify that they can't help an individual, but if multiple people from one apartment complex, for example, are facing the same issue, then the DOJ can get involved and help them.
Morgan Reiner reporting live from Sacramento. Morgan, thank you.